China has fired a decisive shot in its economic war with the West by choking the supply of critical rare earth minerals to US and European defense firms, according to an exclusive report by the Wall Street Journal. Beijing's bold crackdown on exports of rare earth elements is delaying weapons production, inflating costs, and exposing just how vulnerable America's military machine is without Chinese minerals. Rare earths may sound obscure, but they are the backbone of modern warfare. From F-35 jet fighters to missile guidance chips, night vision goggles to battlefield drones, nearly every cutting-edge Pentagon system depends on materials that China dominates. Beijing supplies over 90% of the world's rare earths. Now, it is wielding that dominance. With new export controls, stricter documentation demands, and selective licensing. The result, the WSJ reveals, is striking. American suppliers are wilting. Drone parts makers are delaying deliveries by up to 2 months. Prices of some critical minerals have surged 60-fold. CEOs are warning of production cuts if China doesn't resume flow soon. US officials may talk tough, but Beijing is showing that it holds the real leverage. Washington is scrambling, pumping $400 million into rare earth miners, trying to partner with Canada and Australia for alternatives. But those projects will take years to come online. Until then, America's most advanced weapons remain chained to China's supply lines. As tensions rise in over-trade talks, Beijing is signaling it will no longer power US militarization for free. This is not just economic retaliation, it is strategic warfare. With a single export curfew, China is proving that it can stall the Pentagon's war machine without firing a shot.